Hello guys and welcome back. Now in this our final video on lists, I want to show you how we can use loops and lists together. Now you can use for loops or while loops with lists quite happily, but for simplicity's sake I'm going to do a for loop. So I'm going to say for x in range 0 to 5. Okay, now I want to print every value in this. Okay, so how am I going to do it? Well, I'm going to go for x in range 0 to 5, and then I'm going to go print my list square brackets x. Sweet, huh? So now we'll press play and see what comes out. And suddenly the whole list has printed out up to 8. We could say up to 6, and that might get the whole thing in actually. So now we have the whole set of numbers in there. Each one prints in turn. So it goes through the whole thing and uses them all. Now there is of course a way of improving on this. So instead of saying x and trying to work out, say 6 rather, and trying to work out how big the list is, if you don't know, you can just write here len brackets my list like we learnt last time, and that will put the length of the list into there. So if I run it again now, boom, there we are. So that's one little quick tip I've worked out, I found, to make these things a bit easier. Okay. However, for loops are lucky with lists because for loops have got their own special way of dealing with lists. And that goes a bit like this. Okay. So say I wanted to print out every value in a list. For loops have a way to make that a lot easier, and that is simple. Where's my delete key not working? Sorry guys, my computer stopped working for a second there. Right, so I say for x in, and then I just type my list. No doubt range, just type my list and then a colon. And now suddenly, if I write here print and then normal round brackets and x, it will print every single value in my list in turn. So suddenly that will appear again. So if you want to print out the entire list, then doing what's called an enhanced for loop can be quicker and it can be easier. If you just want to print out a part of the list, or you don't want to see bits of the list or do different bits of the list, then the traditional for loop is probably easier. Okay, so today guys we looked at traditional for loops and we looked at enhanced for loops as you see here. Okay, so that's all I've got to show you for today. So thank you for watching and I hope to see you again soon.